Here is how to restrict someone on Instagram. So let's get started. First, open Instagram on your phone, and here we have to go to the account that we'd want to restrict. So if they're in your followers or following list, you can find them from here, or else just come to the explore page and search for the account from here. So let's say I want to restrict this account. I'll click on it. Then I'll click on the three dots which are on the top right and click on restrict. So this is the meaning of restricting someone. You aren't blocking them and they can still see your posts and stories, but all their comments will be hidden. The messages will move to the request folder and they won't be able to see when you've read the message and when you're online. So if you want to do this, click on restrict. And now this account has been restricted. And now if you want to unrestrict this account in the future, you just have to come to your profile page, click on the three lines which are on the top right, just search for restrict. Click on this. Here you'll find all of the accounts that you've restricted and just click on unrestrict. This account has been unrestricted. So this is how it works, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.